guys, my name is Nichole Reed. I am a dietitian at Bonheur Children's Hospital. A dietitian is someone who studies food and how it affects our body and also how it can help us grow smarter and stronger. Did you know that food gives us energy? That's why it's so important. Could you imagine if you didn't put gas in a car? It wouldn't go very far, right? We have to eat food to give us energy to help make us grow and learn. Today, I'm here to teach you about food, and I want to help you learn about all the different types of foods there are and also how we group them together into food groups. We're going to talk about 5 of them today. The first food group that I want to talk to you about today are fruits. Fruits are delicious, they're sweet. When I think of fruits, I think of strawberries, I have blackberries here, bananas, oranges, lots of different types of fruits, right? They're not only delicious, but they're very good for us. They give us lots of vitamins and minerals. If you can't get them fresh, you can eat them in fruit cups or frozen, so you make sure you can still get your fruit. The next food group I want to talk to you about are vegetables. Vegetables, there are so many. Zucchini, broccoli, cauliflower, squash, celery, and we have some of that here today. And because there are so many different types, we actually have to split them up into 2 different categories. So we have ones that are non-starchy and the other one that are starchy. So starchy vegetables are just vegetables with a little bit more sugar. Those like potatoes and corn and peas, and those are all great. So we want to make sure that we eat more of the non-starchy vegetables than starchy. The next, proteins. So protein foods are super great for us because they help us build nice, strong muscles, right? And did you know that a lot of our body are made from proteins? Like your hair, your fingernails, and many of your organs are made from protein material. Isn't that crazy? So it's really important to eat lots of different types of protein. There are 2 different types of protein though. You can get some from plants and animal meat. I have some here that are called lentils. Lentils are technically a plant or a grain, but they give you lots of great protein. And then I have here a steak and fish, but think of other things like pork and chicken and eggs. Those are all different types of protein that help you build nice, strong muscles. Grains. There are so many grains out there. Think about cereal, think about rice, think about crackers, so many different types of grains. So I have some oats because oats are grains. Think about your oatmeal. And then I have some crackers here. And then I also have some hummus. So hummus is this weird mix of grain and vegetable and protein. And the last food group is dairy. So dairy is going to be your milk, your cheese, and your yogurt. Now that we know what each of the food groups are, I want you to help me figure out which types of foods go into what food group. So I'm going to hold up a fruit or a vegetable, grain, dairy, or protein, and you have to help me figure out which one it is. The first food is whole wheat bread. Now, is that going to be a fruit, a vegetable, a protein, a grain, or a dairy? Okay, you said grain. You are correct. Now we have a slice of cheese. Do you think this cheese is going to be a fruit, a vegetable, a grain, a protein, or a dairy? If you said dairy, you are correct. All right, we got a nice piece of green lettuce. Do you think this is going to be a fruit, a vegetable, a grain, a protein, or dairy? All right, if you said vegetable, you are correct. For our last one, this is a little bit of a challenge. This has multiple food groups in it. So pretend you're eating this for maybe lunch or dinner. So I have here chicken stir fry. So this stir fry has celery, snap peas, chicken, and rice. So do you think what food groups are in this meal? All right, if you said vegetables, protein, and grains, you are correct. The rice is a grain, right? We have lots of nice vegetables in there with our celery and snap peas and mushrooms. And then we have a nice protein with our chicken. Thank you so much for being here, guys. It was so exciting to be here with you and teach you, and I'm excited to see you next time.